Ohio gozaimasu, wonders, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've gotta go to an island. Step number one, we're in Hiroshima, in the city of Hiroshima. Getting our first view of it in the light. We showed up here last night. Let's do it. But there is one little complication today. Nate woke up sick.
With a cold.
With a cold. I have amazingly not gotten sick on this whole trip, which is rare. Here in Hiroshima, in the city at least, they have these monorail things. They call them the streetcars. We definitely have them in cities in the US, so I've never been on one. We don't have them in Indianapolis. Or if we do, I've never been on it. It's just a little bit different. They're like a combination of a bus and a train. It's a very different system than anywhere else we've been in Japan so far. We just took the streetcar to Hiroshima Station, and now we got a train to catch. So Nat Dog and I are headed to Miyajima today. It's the torii gate in the sea. The great thing about Miyajima, going to Miyajima, is if you have the JR pass, you can use that. You don't have to pay for a ticket going there and back. And you can use the JR pass on the train we just took. You can basically use the JR pass, I would say, on most places once you're outside of Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka. I mean, you still use it on some there, but once you get outside of those, it's like, we're using this way more than our IC card. Still doesn't mean it's 100% worth it for you. Talk about that in another video though. I said you don't have to pay for the ferry, and you don't. You don't have to pay a visitor's tax, which it's like an entrance fee, basically. I mean, not that big. You only pay it one way, because you don't have to pay a visitor's tax to come back to the mainland. I don't know if you saw them, but those people up there, I'm not gonna show them, but the one in the, you see up there, in the orange, they were very unhappy about having to pay the visitor's tax when they have the JR pass. I'm just like, someone who's never been to the Philippines, land of hidden entrance fees that you don't know about until you're there.
Depending on where they're from, like 100 yen is like 63 cents.
Yeah, it's like nothing. I'm like, they were getting so mad. Like, I don't know. I'm like, okay, guys. We can actually see the famous torii gate from here already. I think it's gonna be pretty impressive in person. I don't know if there's other stuff to see on the island or not. I guess we'll find out when we're there.
Does the boat go through the gate?
No. Now, Nate, the reason that this is so exciting is because for many years now, this gate has been under construction with scaffolding covering almost all of it. It only opened up again, I believe, this year. Look guys, here's the gate, and then there's this big like floating temple behind it. It looks super cool. Alright guys, welcome to Miyajima, the island of the world famous floating torii gate. You've seen it on Instagram, you've seen it in movies, you've seen it places you can't even remember. You've definitely seen it. It's been under construction like I was saying, looks like since 2019, and it was just to like repair and to restore it to its absolute peak beauty. There's also a Lawson's over here that's 2 stories and just looks totally different branding than I've ever seen. There's deer. What the F? There's deer. Are we in Nara? Hold on guys, there's deer. Okay, yeah, I did not know there are deer here. There are 2 there, there's 2 over there that I didn't film. I guess we'll see more. I don't know what to expect now. I didn't do much research on this island. I really didn't know what to expect other than the giant torii gate. Already impressed. We got beach. We got literal tourist town up there with so many places to eat. Look like places to shop. This is a tourist destination, seriously. It's cold today, but I bet if you came here on a nice, warm, sunny day, bring your trunks, man, because you could really enjoy this place. This is awesome.
Are you allowed to swim this close to the torii gate?
I think you can swim in there. I don't see anything saying not to. I bet we could jump in right now. I'm not going to. That will definitely ruin the rest of the day. Hey man, I don't think that's food. Whose is that? Where did you get that? Look at the baby. Well, there it is. The most famous torii gate in Japan.
It's big.
It is definitely the biggest one we've seen, right? It's huge. What they don't tell you though is that there's a bunch of deer on the other side of it. You turn around. Right now we've got them. They're getting some kind of picture. There's a lot of action going on here. But it's not nearly as crowded as Kyoto, I'll tell you that. Not even close. Directly opposite the Torii Gate is the floating temple. Or shrine? Temple? Shrine? I'm still not totally sure on the difference. I believe it's a temple. It looks really cool. It's really beautiful from here. To enter the floating temple, there's a 300 yen fee. Part of it seems to be under construction, I guess. I'm not really sure. It's alright though. It's still crazy beautiful. We've barely even walked anywhere. I think Nate's getting annoyed with me. I keep stopping constantly. すごいですね。This place is awesome, cannot recommend enough. But it looks like we're leaving the floating part and entering, I don't know if it's actually connected or I think it's another temple, right, Nate? I think I see I don't know. We're entering something else that's not floating. But this was very, very cool. Super recommend. You have to check it out. Buy your trinkets here.
I'm a rocket machine.
It looks like there's also a ropeway, an aquarium, a mountain trail, a park, and that's all just within walking distance from here. It's a pretty big island. I googled, how long do you need in Miyajima? And it said, at least 2 days. I allocated a couple hours for this island. I totally underestimated it completely. We walked down to an area where there's like, I'm not gonna say no tourists, but barely any tourists. And found the Miyajima Public Aquarium, which is not currently open yet. There's all these signs that say beware of wasps, so I am looking out. We're just gonna walk down a little further to this park that's up here, then we're gonna go back to the main part of town, grab lunch, and get out of here. Oh, and they said it is open, it just looks closed. Well, either way, we weren't planning to do it anyway. We're just gonna go look at this park real quick. It's just literally right here. You're too short.
I am too short.
We found the park. There's tons of deer here. Well, there's some deer. Well, there's another one back there. It's not like Nara. It says, do not approach the deer, do not touch the deer, do not feed the deer. Nate seems a little disappointed. He tried to approach that one. It was like, hey, ooh.
It wouldn't dab me up.
Yeah, it wouldn't dab him up. I want to walk a little bit into the park and just look around and then we can go. Yeah, I'm a little hungry. The deer are cute though. Very cute. It's nice to see them without people all around them like, take my cracker. Hi guys. Hello. It's just me, Nate, the people who look like they're like officially feeding them or something, and then some other tourists that walked by. A couple of tourists going by. There were hundreds, over 1,000 people down there probably at that temple going through it, but not here. I have to imagine it's because they don't realize it, that it's here. I don't know. I just saw this park on the sign and Googled it and I'm like, I see deer. So we came. Oh, look at that baby. Bambi, come here, Bambi. Oh, there's 2 Bambis. Oh my Lord. Guys, this is pretty cool. It's just different. You don't get to feed them here and they don't bow here, which is awesome in Nara. But it is cool to be able to just sit here and be surrounded by the deer. And there's I don't even see another tourist anywhere. Yeah, there's not a single other person in sight other than Nate. It's a different kind of deer experience, but it's more peaceful. One that you just gotta take in. It's interesting. These 2 deer were fighting for Patricia's heart, but they don't know that Patricia's already with Bambino. There's a whole like deer drama here. If you just sit and watch and read the room, you'll be entertained for hours. chocolate banana because it looked weird. Let's see. It's weird.
Is it weird? Give me 10 yen.
It's not bad. It's not bad. Tastes like a banana if you put chocolate and sprinkles on it. What is it?
It's got cheese and bacon and something else. So we're gonna find out. And it's like fried.
Is it octopus that's in it?
It's possible.
All right, give it a shot.
It's interesting. I don't know what that is. It's like
Some white thing. Is it
It's
rice,
fishy.
cheese, and oh, it's fishy. Do you like it?
not really.
I tried it too off camera and it is very fishy. We're pretty positive that's octopus. I told him it said octopus on that thing.
That's okay.
And he's like, it's cheese and bacon. All he could see is cheese and bacon. He just, every other word on it disappeared. Okay, I got this one. I didn't know what it was before getting to this island, but when we were on the boat, it said that this is a famous food here. So it's got red bean paste inside. Oishii. It's good. You should try it. Well, Nate and I are leaving the island already. Like I said, we didn't plan to be here that long, and there's just more than I expected. So plan for a bigger day here. At least one whole day. Easy. Easy one whole day.
Eventually.
Cashew spicy.
Is it good though?
It's good.
Good and spicy. We got the Hiroshima style ramen, spicy edition. It's been hard to find legitimately spicy food in Japan. Let's see. It is spicy. It's good. I was a little shocked when it hit me because I'm not used to spicy food anymore. It's been a minute since I was in Korea. That broth was delicious. That ramen was legitimately spicy. That's definitely the spiciest thing I've had in Japan. You agree, Nate?
Yes, very much on the spice, very delicious.
Super good.
Full to bursting.
We love how so many different regions in Japan have their own specialty ramen in that region. It's really cool. It's making me think about putting a like a spin-off channel or like a series on the channel called like We Ramen or something, and just go to all the different regions and try all the different ramen because they're all good, at least so far. My favorite so far? This one was very good. Is this your favorite region's ramen so far? So hard to say.
They all have different, like, amazing things about them.
Yeah, maybe choosing a favorite is just
Like
wrong. It's just not possible.
The one that we got was so salty, and then the onimichi one, the meat was just
Onimichi's meat was so good. Yeah,
And then this one, the spice just killed it.
so good, man.